Stylish Awards, an initiative by HT City, luxury partner India Sotheby's International Realty, decor partner Swati Pandya Global Lux Weddings. And tonight, we celebrate people who have proved that style isn't just something you wear, it is something you become. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards, an initiative by HT City, luxury partner India Sotheby's International Realty, decor partner Swati Pandya Global Lux Weddings. And tonight, we celebrate people who have proved that style isn't just something you wear, it is something you become.
Exactly, because style isn't about chasing trends, it's about creating an identity.
And tonight, we are celebrating those who have made excellence look effortlessly stylish.
शुरुआत करें
Gee, zarur. Now I know everyone's excited to find out who takes home the trophies.
and who has already mentally cleared a space for it on their mantelpiece.
But before we begin the awards, we would like to invite on stage someone who has spent her career celebrating excellence in food, culture, lifestyle, and the people behind them.
As the Chief Managing Editor, Entertainment and Lifestyle at Hindustan Times, she is one of India's most respected voices in journalism. Known for her sharp perspective and engaging storytelling, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Sonal Kalaram.
Well, good evening, you wonderful people. I'm not the kinds to give prepared speeches, and honestly, I just go with the emotion I'm feeling at a particular point. So, 16 years of doing Hindustan Times Most Stylish. Thank you. When I was just sending invites and intimations about winners, JJ Valai was sitting here. My lovely friend and a legend wrote back saying, Sonal, congratulations on this baby that you've created. And I wanted to write back to him that this is one baby that's been collectively created by an entire community of HTCT people. So actually, it's not my credit, but the entire effort of the team HTCT, which I would like you to give an applause. This is legit, the most stylish and eminent gathering. But we have people who are all being called stylish, but they're supremely different. I mean, there are people like Dilip Cherin here who 90% of the time rocks the party scene in a white kurta pajama. He's done a little bit of a change for us today. I love it. You see Veer Sangvi in his sharply tailored suits. You see Mr. Sunil Sethi, God knows what he's doing right now, maybe another appearance on the red carpet, but finely tailored jackets. I have a friend of mine, Vijay Shri, I saw somewhere, always looking lovely, stunning. No matter what she wears, they wear what makes them happy. They conduct themselves in a manner that makes them happy. And that's their style, not how they're outwardly looking. And then they end up outwardly looking the best. So I think today we are raising a toast to such people. I have nothing but lots and lots of gratitude for the time that you all have taken out to be here with us. So all credit to you, and with a lot of gratitude, I'd like for us to start this evening, and I hope we continue to get this support from you 16 to 60 years ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonal, for that lovely welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonal Kalra, a big round of applause for her again, please. Our first award of the evening celebrates someone who proves that style isn't confined to the wardrobe. Sometimes it's served on a plate.
This honor celebrates someone who has elevated the dining experience into an art form. Someone whose signature isn't just seen, it's savored. This is the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Chef Award. To present this honor, may we invite two people whose names have become synonymous with taste in every sense of the word. One of the India's most respected journalists, author, and celebrated food critic, Mr. Veer Sanghvi.
Thank you, Mr. Veer Sanghvi, for joining us here today. And can we have the winner of this award, please?
Okay, so the winner for the most stylish chef. This is a chef who not only wears clothes well, has a sense of style, which you see in his food and you see in his personality. The winner is Chef Dhruv Oberoi.
The culinary director at Olive, Chef Dhruv Oberoi, has spent years pushing the boundaries of modern Indian dining.
Respected by peers and loved by diners, his style extends far beyond the kitchen. It reflects everything he stands for.
You want to say a few words? You're saying you're nervous, but you're not.
I'm actually very nervous, and the first one is the best, the stylish chef award. So thank you, jury. I don't feel that I'm that stylish, but as Sir Veer mentioned, that it comes to the food and the plate what I cook every day in the kitchen. So this goes to the team who does everything by heart every day, every hour. So it goes to the team. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dhruv. And you do look very stylish right now, let me tell you that. That's why you have this award. Our next award celebrates someone who has redefined luxury textiles.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Textile Artist Award celebrates a creative force whose work reflects elegance, imagination, and an extraordinary understanding of design.
To present this award, please welcome somebody who has redefined Indian fashion and made us proud on the global stage, Mr. Rahul Mishra.
I have to just say that I really love her work, and I had many chances of meeting her. She's truly a legend, and one thing which I always envious about her studio is his amazing archive of Indian textiles. So it's none other than Sarita Handa.
Ms. Sarita Handa has built an iconic design language that celebrates craftsmanship, timeless elegance, and the beauty of India. Ms. Handa could not be here today. He requests her daughter, Ms. Suparna Handa, to please collect it on her behalf.
I know Rahul loves mom, and he's very disappointed that she's not here. But I will say it myself, she is a legend, and she's the coolest 80-year-old that I know. And she's going to hate me for announcing her age. But thank you, Rahul, and she loves you, and keep doing what you're doing. Thanks so much.
Our next award honors a woman who has built a reputation for sharp journalism and a distinctive presence that extend far beyond the newsroom. This is the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Media Personality Female Award.
To present this honor, please welcome a leader known for his contributions to public service, apart from his dynamic personality, a 5-time Member of Parliament and former Union Minister, Honorable Mr. Anurag Thakur. So Anurag, sir, before you announce our winner, no debates, no parliament. मैं बस एक चीज आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि वो कौन सा एक आउटफिट या एक्सेसरी है which is your most favorite, जो हमेशा आपके वार्डरोब में रहता है, आपको लगता है कि ये आउटफिट है जो मैं हमेशा पहन सकता हूँ?
White kurta pajama.
कुर्ता पजामा.
White kurta pajama.
Very nice.
Can't go wrong with that, I believe.
Yeah.
It's the white kurta pajama supremacy in this room, I feel. A lot of people wear white kurta
And your
pajamas.
cufflinks, I think.
So, Mr. Thakur, if you could do the honors and announce the winner for us, please.
She has spent more than 2 decades in journalism, known for her unique way of expressing and storytelling along with the news. I think it's none other than Balki Sharma Upadhyay.
Ms. Palki Sharma Upadhyay is one of India's most recognizable media personalities, known for her distinctive style of journalism and her ability to bring global affairs, diplomacy, and current issues to audiences with clarity and depth. Congratulations. Ms. Palki, the stage is yours. We cannot let you leave without saying a few words.
Thank you to Hindustan Times and to the jury for this. I'm honored, but I have to say I'm also a little awkward because as journalists, we are told that we should be known for our stories and not our style. But I suppose the meaning of style has also evolved. And in the age of AI and fake news and doom scrolling, I would say it is stylish to be informed. So if this award celebrates something, I hope it celebrates the idea that substance is still fashionable. Thank you.
Always,
Palki,
always.
one more question. Palki,
Palki,
if you could
one
just
more
answer this.
question. We can't let you leave without throwing a rapid fire question at you.
You're always so composed on screen, but is there anything that actually throws you off?
Style wise.
Well, if you speak to my producers and they tell you what I look like 5 minutes before going on air, you would probably not give me this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Anurag sir, can we please request you to come back on stage for our next award? From a voice that has shaped conversations, we now honor another media personality whose journalism has become part of the national dialogue.
The finest journalists don't simply report events, they interpret them. They ask difficult questions and decode them.
एक शख्स ऐसा भी है जो जिसको इतना याद किया जाता है कि उसके एनालिसिस को देखने के लिए It's none other than Sudhir Chaudhary, who has spent more than 33 years in journalism. Congratulations.
Mr. Sudhir Chaudhary is one of India's most widely recognized TV journalists. He's known for his distinctive calm style of presenting current affairs to audiences. His salt and pepper look makes him quite an object of envy. Sudhir bhai, we would love to hear from you.
So I'll say my style is in Hindi, so I'll speak in Hindi. वैसे तो मैं हर रोज रात को 9 से 10 बजे तक बोलता ही हूँ, इसलिए बोलने का टीवी के अलावा कोई खास शौक नहीं है. But thank you ST Awards for this very unique and very different award. अभी तक हमें जो awards मिले हैं वो सब अपने काम के लिए मिले हैं, अपनी स्टोरीज के लिए, अपने कंटेंट के लिए मिले हैं, शोज के लिए मिले हैं. बट ये अलग तरह का अवार्ड है, ये दिखने का अवार्ड है. आई थिंक कि आप दिखते कैसे हैं और अपने आप को पेश कैसे करते हैं. बट थैंक यू सो मच. इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट अवार्ड एंड आई एम हम्बल्ड.
पर आप तो बहुत खूबसूरत दिखते हैं. मेरा एक सवाल आपसे था, आपने कभी बाल रंगवाने के बारे में सोचा?
ये सवाल मुझसे बहुत पूछा जाता है. एक्चुअली ये जितने आप मेरे ग्रे बाल देख रहे हैं
जी,
इन सब के पीछे एक एक ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है.
वाह.
जितनी ब्रेकिंग न्यूज मैंने की उसके साथ साथ एक एक ग्रे बाल मेरा आता चला गया. और तो ये जो बाल हैं ग्रे, ये अनुभव की निशानी है. तो मैं कहूँगा कि जर्नलिज्म 2 चीज़ों पर है. एक है अनुभव और दूसरा है क्रेडिबिलिटी. सो अनुभव कई बार आपके बालों से भी पता चलता है. So you can say it's the 50 shades of my experience, or maybe 500 shades.
Thank you so much, Sudhir bhai. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Pavleen, यार fashion trends move so fast, नहीं?
That's what makes it exciting.
I bought something वो trend कर रहा था.
And
जब तक deliver हुआ vintage हो गया तो.
okay. I'll keep you updated, Abhilash. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Our next honor, the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Diplomat Award, celebrates someone who carries the values of her country with intelligence, elegance, and quiet confidence.
To present this award, please welcome India's foremost image consultants and communication experts, Mr. Dilip Cherian and Ms. Devi Cherian.
Ambassadors in general are expected to be hugely stylish because they always represent their countries, but they also represent cultures. They represent people who matter to India, and therefore that's why they find their place here and hopefully get treated as icons of their country. I'm happy to announce that the winner of this award is the Ambassador of Switzerland in India, Maya Tisafi.
Her Excellency Ambassador of Switzerland to India, Ms. Desafi, is known in the diplomatic circles for bringing a unique fusion of Swiss and Indian sartorial sensibilities into her style.
But she's going to be represented by Somia Izela, Charge d'Affaires and the Embassy of Switzerland.
That's right. Maya Desafi is currently in Switzerland, and receiving the award on her behalf is Charge d'Affaires, Embassy of Switzerland, Ms. Sonia Isela.
I brought a letter in the name of Ambassador Tisafi. So I read it out what she wrote to me. Dear audience, thank you to the Hindustan Times for this lovely gesture. I only wish I could be there in person, hopefully next time. But as Hollywood once taught us, filming in our own house, bade de shome esi choti choti bate potirenti hai. Missing one evening is just that, a choti si bat, against a much bigger friendship. Through Indian textiles, we carry stories across borders into Switzerland. Dhanyawad, and happy Friendship Day. Yours, Maya.
Thank you so much, Sonia, and thank you, Mr. Cherian. Thank you. Our next award honors a profession where confidence inspires hope and precision changes lives.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Medic Awards celebrates someone whose contribution extends far beyond the operation theatre, earning admiration not only for medical excellence but also for the dignity and grace of his personality. To present this award, please welcome one of India's most respected healthcare leaders, Group Medical Director, Apollo Hospitals, Dr. Anupam Sibbal.
And joining him on stage is a veteran fashion designer, Miss Leena Singh. We request both of you to please join us on stage and announce the winner. Miss Leena Singh.
It's a privilege to be here this evening, and the winner for this award is Dr. Amrish Sathwik.
Dr. Amrish is among India's leading vascular surgeons.
He exemplifies the kind of quiet confidence that defines true style.
Dr. Sathwik, if you could say a few words, please.
Thank you. This is most surreal. I accept this like an anthropological curiosity. But thank you. I'm also indebted to my wife, Ruma, who's here, and my old and abiding friend, Suket Dhir, who's designed a lot of clothes for me. Thank you.
Our next award celebrates someone who understands that art is not merely something we look at. It is something we experience.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Art Curator Award honors an individual who has brought sensitivity and impeccable taste to the world of art.
To present this honor, please welcome two women whose journeys have been defined by creativity and elegance. Please welcome veteran designer Asha Gautam and noted fashion designer Ms. Renu Tanga.
Two lovely ladies from the fashion world, can I request you to please do the honors?
Hi, so this is Most Stylish Art Curator Manu Dosaj. The Gallery Alternatives.
Ms. Manu Dosaj has created a distinctive space for herself in the world of art by bringing together creativity and culture through Gallery Alternatives, the first art gallery in Gurugram. Please put your hands together for Ms. Manu Dosaj. Ms. Dosaj, we would love for you to say a few words.
Thank you very much, the jury and Hindustan Times. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you for doing the honors.
From curating masterpieces hanging on gallery walls, we now move on to someone who curates conversations and communities every single day.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Content Creator Award celebrates someone who sets style goals every day on Instagram for her millions of followers. To present this award, please welcome a true icon of Indian fashion and designer who has defined elegance for decades, Miss Reena Dhaka.
The Most Stylish Content Creator winner is Miss Isha Bora.
Congratulations, Isha. Can we have a few words from you as well? Can we have the mic on the stage, please? And before you begin, Isha, can I just say, I'm a follower. I admit it. I'm a big, big fan of your content. Continue doing what you're doing. Looking lovely.
You too. I actually have so many people to thank to. First of all, HT, Hindustan Times, thank you so much. My husband, my 2 dogs, my audience, my team who's sitting right there. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Isha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Reena.
Thank you so much, guys.
So let's get into it, Abhilash. What do you say? So let me educate you a little bit, Abhilash. The people that you see here in this room are the most stylish of the lot in Delhi. And me being a Delhi girl and you're also a Delhi boy, essentially. So you would know fashion.
I only know Rajpat Nagar fashion. That's it.
That's not fashion. Let's move on.
Sorry.
So let's talk to a few people who are actually fashionable and let's talk to somebody that both of us know. Do you see someone that both of us know or you want to take charge?
One guy here. Shikhar bhai, आज ये आपने क्या लगाया हुआ है? What is this?
जी ये शर्ट के साथ आया तो एंड ये ब्रांड का इससे आपको ब्रांड का पता चला।
एक बार आप खड़े होंगे प्लीज।
हाँ जी
Can you have a big round of applause for Shikhar
Alexander
Kapoor? He's dapper.
यूजुअली पैंट के साथ आती है ना बेल्ट्स, तो इसलिए मुझे लग रहा था। I'm so sorry, मुझे ऐसे ही समझ में आता है फैशन। What do you have to say about this?
I think इनको बहुत अच्छी तरह पता है what he's wearing. नहीं तो usually शादी हो जाने के बाद the wife is the one who picks the clothes. Do you do that for him? You didn't pick this one, but you picked the other ones?
I pick her clothes.
Ah, the new age husband. I like it.
मैं
Thank you so
एक चीज आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूँ। गब्बर ऑफ क्रिकेट तो आप हैं, लेकिन फैशन का गब्बर आपकी लाइफ में कौन है?
फैशन का गब्बर
आपकी लाइफ में?
मेरी लाइफ में फैशन का गब्बर
आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में हो सकता है, यार दोस्तों में हो सकता है, क्रिकेटर्स में हो सकता है।
There's so many people, but so many. Virat got a good fashion. Since then, all the youngsters these days, सबके अपने अपने फैशन स्टाइल है और I even love जैसे कुर्ता पजामा हो गया, पठानी सूट हो गया, love that और like how boys wear baggy stuff, I enjoy receiving them. So मेरे लिए ये कि जो जिस पे जैसा है वो पहने।
बट सबसे अनकंफर्टेबल चीज क्या होती है जो आज तक आपने पहनी हो, बोला ये की पहन लिया भाई?
अब आज के टाइम में मेरे लिए टाइट जीन्स मेरे को कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगती। मैं बोलता क्यों पहन लिया, थोड़ा उम्र के साथ कंफर्ट ज्यादा एंजॉय करता हूँ अपने स्टाइल में।
और आपको वो स्टाइल भी नहीं हो पाता होगा ना टाइट जीन्स में?
हाँ,
टाइट जीन्स के साथ तो मुश्किल होता होगा। एक बार आज तो लूज पहना तो एक बार वो स्टाइल हो जाए आपका आइकॉनिक दैट। Whoa, give it up for Shikhar Kapoor, guys.
I like how you're thinking, Abhilash, became the most stylish of the lot. So let's take your lead.
You pick someone who you think is the most stylish और मुझे बताओ कि उनमें सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगे?
Questions prepared to मैंने
थोड़े बहुत।
किसी को all right then let's do this. We don't really need a script. We're very good at our job. So let's talk to somebody that both of us know. An award winner.
मुझे सबसे अच्छी चीज लग रही है कि गर्दन से ऊपर और गर्दन से नीचे दोनों जगहों पर आप ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है।
इससे पहले जो मैं शो करता था उसका नाम ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है, तो वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट मेरे जीवन से भी चिपक ही गया एक तरीके से, तो वही है।
एक ना आपके शो के बारे में हमेशा, इनफैक्ट आपके बारे में बहुत सारी रील्स और सोशल मीडिया आर्टिकल्स होते हैं अबाउट योर सैलरी। मैं उसके बारे में नहीं बात करूंगा क्योंकि हमें पता है बहुत कुछ, बट पहली जॉब, पहली सैलरी कितनी थी आपकी और कहाँ पर थी वो बताओ ना एक बार।
सो पहली जॉब मेरी थी 1994 में और पहली सैलरी थी 2,500 रुपया महीना, लेकिन वो आज की सैलरी से भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट और ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है। और जो पहली चीज़ दिमाग में आई थी वो ये कि मैं अपने घर जाके अपने फादर को बताऊं कि देखिए मुझे पैसा मिलने लगा, somebody has agreed to pay me for my work। सो वो उसकी जो बात है वो अलग है, और तब तो किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था कि इससे ज़्यादा पैसा कमाना है या और कुछ नेम फेम करना है, बट दैट वाज वेरी स्पेशल। बाकी मेरे ख्याल से मैं अकेला हूँ जिसकी सैलरी स्लिप घर घर में है, तुम्हारी जेब में भी मेरी सैलरी स्लिप रखी होगी।
A big round of applause for Sudhir bhai. Come on guys.
Some achievements are measured in years, some are measured in impact, and some become a part of history. Our next honor celebrates a true legend, a leader whose journey has been defined by vision, resilience, and the ability to build instructions that stand the test of time.
The Hindustan Times most stylish hospitality legend is being given to an individual whose contribution extends beyond success to leadership, hospitality, entrepreneurship, and inspiring generations.
To present this prestigious honor, please welcome Mr. Samudra Bhattacharya, Chief Executive Officer, Print Hindustan Times. I would request him to kindly come up on stage to give this award.
All right, good evening. The most stylish hospitality legend goes to Dr. Jyotsna Suri.
Dr. Jyotsna, can I request you to kindly stay back and say a few words?
I really appreciate HT for giving me this award. I'm completely out of tune with any style, but I certainly feel that hospitality has its own style, and I'm grateful to you for recognizing that. Thank you ever so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Couple Award. It celebrates a pair whose chemistry and effortless presence have made them a true style statement. To present this honor, please welcome Special Commissioner of Police, Delhi, and a former winner of HT's Most Stylish Award, Mr. H.G.S. Dhaliwal.
And also, sir, वक्त बदल रहा है सर, आप ऐसे के वैसे ही मतलब a big round of applause for Dhaliwal, sir. Come on. सर मैं एक और सवाल आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था तो सर लाइफ में तो डिसिप्लिन है बट does that also extend to your wardrobe? कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक चीजें होती हैं जो वही रहती हैं हमेशा आप भी बोलते हैं पहनने के लिए कुछ है नहीं हमारे पास
Actually, it's a no-brainer. So I horse ride and I play polo. This is riding trousers, jersey shoes, love and dinner. This thing I didn't have to buy any mine.
Wow, sir. क्या बात है वहाँ भी discipline.
I wish all of us had that easy. So if you could
honors, sir?
do the honors of announcing the winner.
So this is award category of most stylish couple, and I think most people would have already guessed it by now. Shikhar Dhawan and Sophie Dhawan.
Whoa!
Mr. Shikhar and Miss Sophie Dhawan represent a partnership that beautifully blends individuality with togetherness. Congratulations, Shikhar and Sophie. And we would love for you to say a few words together.
शिखर भाई इससे पहले आप थैंक यू वगैरह कहें मैं एक चीज जानना चाह रहा हूँ आपको हमने स्टेडियम में देखा बड़े सारे बाउंसर्स आप झेल रहे होते हो घर के अंदर जब बाउंसर्स पड़ते हैं तो उसको कैसे हैंडल कर रहे होते हो आप
घर के अंदर जो बाउंसर्स होती है काफी लेफ्ट कर लेता हूँ थोड़ी खेल भी लेता हूँ
क्या बात है Sophie, you said क्या बात है but do you remember the first Hindi line Shikhar had taught you?
Actually, he first taught me a line in Punjabi because I'm always saying I'm super cold. So he taught me Thanda Lag Diya. And then in Hindi, I had to learn convert everything to be less spicy.
Lovely. And now?
शिखर भाई प्लीज कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप इस अवार्ड के बारे में इस अवार्ड के बारे में आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे
Now, first of all, I'd like to say thank you to Hindustan Times for giving this award to us. We're very, very honored, and I hope everyone having a great evening. And yeah, we're enjoying the evening. It's always great feeling to receive an award. I'm very honored to meet sir as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we arrive at a very special honor, an award that celebrates not just style today, but a lifetime of defining it.
Some names don't simply become part of fashion history, they help write it. Their work inspires generations, their vision creates movements, and their signature becomes timeless.
The Hindustan Times Stylish Forever Award celebrates an icon whose contribution to fashion has remained relevant, influential, and unforgettable. Trends aate hain, jaate hain, but this person's signature style is simply timeless.
To present this very special honor, we please invite on stage a distinguished leader, diplomat, and author known for her remarkable contributions on the global stage, Ms. Lakshmi Puri, and noted industrialist and philanthropist, Ms. Aishwarya Bansal.
Welcome, Ms. Puri.
Good evening. I have the great honor to announce the award Most Stylish Forever. The winner, J.J. Valaya.
I think a man who for generations and decades has created timeless elegance.
He is the monarch of fashion. He is a pioneer, a revolutionary, one who built up the Indian fashion industry from the scratch. 30 years of design brilliance and also what many of us love, the royal nomad style and the global excellence that you have established. You have taken Indian fashion to the world. So and of course, a dear friend. So, congratulations.
Good darling.
JJ, if you could say a few words, please.
Well, thank you, HT. 34 years of telling people how to dress. Glad to know that you think that I dress reasonably well. The only lesson I've learned in life is that fashion trends come and go, but style endures. So that's the motto I follow, and I hope India grows from strength to strength based on where we come from and where we're taking it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JJ. If you could ask you a question as well. You've seen trends come and go for so long. If there's one trend you wish never comes back, what is that?
As designers, we can't be biased. We just make it work.
That's a smart answer. Thank you so much and congratulations again. Our next honor takes us from the digital world to traditions that have traveled across generations. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Heritage Artist Award celebrates someone who has dedicated herself to preserving and presenting India's rich artistic traditions with contemporary relevance.
To present this honor, please welcome award-winning golfer Ms. Neelam Pratap Rudi and National Resident Editor, HT City, Ms. Neha Sharma.
Having a chat with Vidhi Singhania, a master weaver.
Ms. Vidhi Singhania has been recognized for her deep engagement with India's artistic heritage and her commitment to keeping traditional expressions alive through contemporary interpretation. Can we have a big round of applause for our winner, Ms. Vidhi Singhania? Vidhi, a few words from you, please.
First and foremost, a big thank you to HT for this recognition. It's been 30 years, a long journey of working with the weavers of this country. So I think they are the actual winners of this particular award. And I would really thank you for this recognition. It would not be complete if I didn't thank my family, my husband, my children, who have been my strength and stay through this journey. Thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Ms. Singhania. Hindustan Times Most Stylish Award is an initiative by HT City, luxury partner, India Sotheby's International Realty, decor partner Swati Pandya Global Lux Weddings. Fashion is more than fabric. It is an imagination brought to life. It is craftsmanship, storytelling, and the ability to create moments that people remember.
Our next honor celebrates a duo whose creations have become synonymous with luxury and unmistakable glamour. This is the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Couture Style Icons Award.
To present this, please welcome a celebrated name from the world of fashion and style, Ms. Sonalika Sahai, and philanthropist and entrepreneur, Dr. Payal Kanodia.
So lovely to welcome friends on stage. Hi, Sonalika.
So, award category, Most Stylish Couture Style Icon. And of course, the winners are sitting right in front of me. Falguni and Shane Peacock.
Falguni and Shane Peacock have created a signature design language that blends intricate craftsmanship, glamour, and contemporary luxury. Their creations have found admiration across the world, becoming favorites among celebrities and fashion enthusiasts alike.
With a distinct aesthetic and extraordinary attention to detail, they have built a brand that represents amazing style.
Firstly, I'd like to thank HT Style Awards, Sonal, Mr. Sethi, and good evening, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Sethi. Thank you, Sonal. And it's a great honor. And thank you guys for appreciating what we do.
But before you step off the stage, Falguni and Shane, I was curious about something. Now, working together as partners in business and life, it's an extreme sport. And you guys would know. So who gets the final say on the sketch?
I think most of the decisions are not made from the heart, it's made from the mind. So if it looks good, we go with us. If it looks good, it is my decision, we go with me.
That's beautiful.
Love it. Thank you so much and congratulations again. Our next award honors an individual who refused to be defined by any expectations. To present this, we call upon the stage someone who all startup founders in India look up to. We are the country of startups. Visionary industrialist and dynamic business leader, please welcome Mr. Rahul Sharma.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Moonraker Award honors a woman who was born into one of India's most celebrated film families and has chosen to reinvent herself time and again.
Alright, so the HT Most Stylish for breaking the mold, the award goes to ever so graceful Ridhima Kapoor Sahni.
Miss Ridhima Kapoor Sahni has carved her own identity and embraced every phase of her journey with purpose, balancing creativity and entrepreneurship. She made her Bollywood debut this year as an actor too, with a performance that has got really appreciated. Congratulations, Ridhima.
Thank you, HT, for presenting me with this award. I feel immense gratitude for the opportunity I got to play Sunaina for my debut film, Dadi Ki Shaadi, which got a lot of love from a lot of people from across the world and something that I will cherish forever. That said, it's not about the age. Go break your mold whenever you feel you are ready with the utmost sincerity and honesty, and that's what really matters. I would also like to add that style is something so personal, and to be recognized like this is truly an honor. Thank you very much and have a great evening ahead.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards is an initiative by HT City, our luxury partner India Sotheby's International Realty, and our decor partner Swati Pandya Luxury Wedding Decor Art. It's always important to mention the sponsors over and over again. Thank you so much for making this evening possible. Our next award celebrates a voice that has made poetry deeply personal for an entire generation, reminding us that honesty never goes out of fashion. This is the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Poet Award.
To present this honor, please welcome one of India's best-known technology journalists and TV personalities, Mr. Rajiv Vakni.
And joining him is former Miss India and entrepreneur Miss Ruchitra Malhotra Makni.
Award category Most Stylish Poet and very well-deserved winner, Nayab Midha. Nayab.
Nayab Midha has brought her Hindi spoken word poetry to a whole new audience. Her performances explore love, hope and resilience. Please give it up for Nayab Midha.
Congratulations.
Whether performing on stage or connecting with millions online, she has shown that words can be incredibly stylish.
Congratulations, Nayab. We would love for you to say a few words.
Can we have a huge round of applause for these two who are doing an amazing job, man. Fantastic. Okay. I have to thank three people. My husband, who's sitting right here, Ayush, my manager, Parul Mudra, and my mother-in-law. In तीनों के मेरे जीवन में आने से पहले, I had the most stupid sense of fashion ever. So because I could be getting like a poet, but the stylish word is being put by these three people in my life. So thanks to them, and thank you so much, HT, for giving me this award. It truly, truly means a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naya. But we've got to ask you. We can't let you leave like this. We know what we're gonna ask you. जैसे कि आपका नाम है, आपकी पोएट्री भी खूब नायाब है.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
मुस्कुराइए कि अगर 4 पंक्तियां हो जाए तो.
कहा है कि कि it goes like मुस्कुराओ मुस्कुराओ अगर आज कहीं से हार गए हो उस जीत की जरूरत तुमसे ज्यादा किसी को थी शायद मुस्कुराओ अगर कुछ खो गया है जिसके नसीब का था उसको मिल गया है शायद मुस्कुराओ अगर दिल टूट गया है किसी और का जोड़ने के लिए किसी का तोड़ना पड़ता होगा शायद और फिर भी रह जाए अगर दिल में दर्द कहीं तो बांट कर मुस्कुराओ और है अगर दिल में खुशी ज्यादा तो सेम प्रोसेस दोहराओ मुस्कुराओ मुस्कुराओ जब बार बार ये सोचकर हताश हो जाते हो कि इससे अच्छा ये हो जाता इससे अच्छा वो हो जाता तब ये सोचकर मुस्कुराओ कि इससे बुरा हो जाता तो क्या हो जाता थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन
Thank you so much, Naya. Congratulations. Thank you. Rajiv, we can't let you leave without saying a few words as well about style, the powerful couple full of style.
So I have to say, I've heard so many people say so many great things about style out here, and I think the one thing that everybody says is style is effortless. But if you look around this room, there is so much of effort. Everyone is looking so good. So congratulations. We won Best Dressed Couple last year. And I think we set a pretty high standard. So now I think we just came today for quality control. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you so much, Rajiv.
guys.
Thank you
so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have celebrated people who create, communicate, and inspire. And our next honoree represents another powerful form of creativity, entrepreneurship. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Entrepreneur Award celebrates a business mind who combines vision and the ability to create with purpose.
To present this award, please welcome Mr. Hamid Goyal, MD, India Sotheby's International Realty.
Good evening, all. Most stylish entrepreneur male award goes to Jackie Nani. Congratulations, Jackie. Well deserved. And the way you make those most stylish homes in Mumbai and hopefully nationally soon, right? So keep the style up. You know, it's good to be successful, but being successful and yet stylish causes for applause. Thank you.
Jackie bhai, if you could say a few words.
Firstly, thank you so much, HT. Thank you so much, Sonal ma'am, for giving me this stylish entrepreneur. I would like to dedicate everything about my style to my wife.
Why do you think we called her? We know that.
She makes me look better. Mr. Manish Malhotra inspires me. Mr. Vinamra Shastri inspires me. And yeah, thank you so much. I will try to win this again next year. Thank you.
But Jackie bhai, मैं एक चीज जानना चाहता हूँ. क्या ज्यादा मुश्किल है, फिल्म बनाना या रकुल को मनाना?
Sorry?
क्या ज्यादा मुश्किल है?
देखिए मैं आपको बताऊं, फिल्म बनाना
जी
वर्ल्ड वॉर जीतने से ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. So and Rakul, I have to say that we are best friends. So I'm most comfortable around her, so it's not an effort at all.
क्या बात है?
That's
Big round of
beautiful.
applause
Thank you
for
so much. A
Jackie
big round of
bhai.
applause. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ आपको. And it's such a beautiful relationship that you have. Thank you so much. On to our next award.
This is someone who continues to redefine success with every step of her journey. From delivering back-to-back box office hits to winning hearts with her performances to gearing up for one of the most anticipated films of the year, she embodies ambition and grace. This is the Queen of Style Award.
To present this honor, the evergreen doyen of Indian fashion, chairman of the Fashion Design Council of India and our jury chairperson, please welcome Mr. Sunil Sethi on stage.
Mr. Sethi, first of all, congratulations on the successful edition of the India Couture Week and the Wedding Weekend. इस साल के दोनों events में what was the unique factor?
Congratulations on a very successful couture week. And now the wedding
I
weekend.
thought they were awarding me.
You took the award.
Am I supposed to present an award or am I getting an award?
Sir, you're presenting an award.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Right now you're
Sir,
presenting the award.
we'll need to join together, sir. Kuch time give
Well,
us.
I let you guys know that the person who's going to be awarded, I've been a fan of hers since I was a child. I'm sorry she came in earlier with her husband, but मैं बचपन से उनका fan हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for the Queen of Style goes to Rakulpreet Singh.
Miss Ratulpreet Singh has established herself as one of our most versatile actors, admired not only for her performances, but also for her distinctive style and elegance.
Rakul, this honor is truly well deserved.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Firstly, since you were a child, so either I have a blessing that I don't age at all, and I'm always going to remain like this. You know, I think I take it like that. So thank you so much, Sol ma'am, HT, and everyone who's responsible for getting this award. I cannot beat him with words ever. I don't know what to say after he said, and it'll look like I'm copying him. So it is. I just so thank you so much, and I think Queen of Style is a lot about everybody who's responsible for bringing that element out of you. So this victory cannot be mine alone. It has to be the team, the effort that goes behind it, the hair team, makeup, stylist, everybody who puts a look together. So I think this one's for them.
Thank you so much, Ratulpreet. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, some names don't just represent fashion, they define it. Some people follow trends, some people create them.
Our next honor celebrates a personality whose vision has transformed Indian fashion and celebrity style for generations. A name synonymous with glamour and redefining how we make fashion. This is the Hindustan Times Czar of Style Award. Having established India on the global map, he's the only Indian designer to have participated in the Met Gala and the Paris Haute Couture Week in the same year.
To present this very special honor, please welcome Chief Managing Editor, Entertainment and Lifestyle, Hindustan Times, Miss Sonal Kalra.
Give it up for Sonal. Come on, guys.
Back on stage. Let's hear it for her.
It's Friendship's Day today, and it couldn't have been a better day for me to say this. But as a very, very proud and privileged friend of this person for more than 20 years, I'm happy to call upon stage somebody who's completely redefined Indian fashion and taken it to the global map, Manish Malhotra.
For over 3 decades, Manish Malhotra has been one of the most influential forces in Indian fashion, from redefining the language of couture to creating some of the most iconic looks in Indian cinema. His work has become a part of the country's cultural memory.
Known for his extraordinary craftsmanship, understanding of glamour and ability to transform fashion into storytelling, Manish Malhotra has built an empire that celebrates tradition while constantly reinventing modern luxury. Manish, there is a question we had for you, but first we would like you to say a few words.
Thank you, Sonal. Thank you so much. We actually are so comfortable with each other. We started talking. We didn't even think of the award. We started feeling the award, how beautiful it is. It's cold. It feels good. And thank you so much. Thank you for your love. And thank you, HT Style Awards. Thank you, HT. We've always been doing so many things together. So it feels like a big family.
Thank you so much. But we wanted to ask you that your recent collection at the Paris Haute Couture Week was called Ma, and it was an emotional tribute to your mother who you lost just a few months ago. Were you at any point skeptical whether the world would accept such an emotional story in your debut?
Well, actually, I kept, going back and forth on what I would do at that stage, which is the world's biggest stage. I was nervous. I was very anxious, but I think that's the grief I am even today. And I've always lived with my mother. She means a lot to me, and it's something that I don't think I'll ever get over. And I thought on a stage like that, you just have to be honest and be yourself. And that's what I did.
It was absolutely beautiful.
Because I think we look at fashion always like, as sometimes frivolously. Sometimes we think it's all about fun and glamour. But there's a lot of emotion. We also go through our grief. And it's not easy to create a collection when you're grieving. So I think it was just...
It was
Thank you so
absolutely
much.
gorgeous, and the
Thank
whole
you.
meaning behind it made it even more special.
Thank
you so much, man.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Congratulations
Thank you so
again.
much.
A big round of applause for Manish Malhotra, guys.
Some people keep up with the trends and some set them. And then there are the rare few who completely change the game. Our next honor celebrates someone whose influence has impacted the way we look at fashion, creativity, and personal style. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Designer Award.
And to present this award, may I please invite on stage two prolific personalities, the first vegan artist, designer, Ms. Payal Jain, and a man whose work has defined modern Indian menswear for over 2 decades, Mr. Pawan Sachdeva.
Thank you, HT. Thank you, Sonal. This is the most stylish designer, and the winner is.
Gorgeous lady, Isha Jajodia.
Isha Jajodia has built a couture label celebrated for blending contemporary silhouettes with intricate Indian craftsmanship. Founder and creative director of Rose Room. Please put your hands together for Isha Jajodia.
Thank you, HT City. Thank you to the jury. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you for having me here. I'm really, truly honored and humbled. Thank you. And this award goes to, it's a stylish award, and I guess it's about the women whom I dress, women who believe in me, who are self-assured and confident. And this award goes to all the women who believe in my work, and especially to the FTCI, who's given me the platform to believe in my work, to Mr. Sethi, and to my husband and my darling son sitting right here. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Isha. Congratulations. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate yet another unforgettable chapter of style, achievement, and inspiration.
Tonight, we did not just celebrate style, we celebrated stories. Stories of passion, perseverance, creativity, and action.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards is an initiative by HT City. So we have to thank our partners, our luxury partner, India Sotheby's International Realty, and decor partner, Swati Pandya Global Lux Weddings. Last but not the least, Team FDCI, and most importantly, the man who made it all possible, FDCI Chairman, the head of jury, and our guide throughout, Mr. Sunil Sethi. Thank you so much for making this evening possible. Thank you. This is Aveen Bajal signing off along with Abhilash Thapia.
Thank you so much, guys.